we actually use the SEER database. And the SEER database is a great reference. It incorporates about 28% of the US population. And this particular database is used across several studies such as this to evaluate outcomes in bladder cancer for statistics such as overall survival. We actually explore this phenomenon of conditional survival. Conditional survival is basically based on identifying a patient's projected survival after they reach certain landmarks. So for instance, the patient who walks into my clinic with a fresh diagnosis of metastatic bladder cancer may have a very different outcome from a patient that's been on therapy and makes it to 2 or 3 years. What we've established is that despite the many therapeutic options that are now being used in second and third line settings, we're actually not seeing a major improvement in terms of relative conditional survival. And to me, that exerts a little bit of pause. We've accumulated a lot of phase 2 data sets. Oncologists like myself are actually using basically a dealer's choice of chemotherapy when it comes to second or third line treatment. But the fact that there's no improvement in conditional survival suggests that maybe we're not affecting a real change on the natural history of the disease.